Now, in this lecture, we will discuss the various noise models. So, noise is anything which is due to the image acquisition or due to the transmission process. So, to get over the noise, we use some of the noise models, which are the Gaussian model, impulsive, salt and pepper model, uniform model, Rayleigh model, gamma, Erlang, exponential, or we can say that the uniform noise or the impulsive noise. So we discuss these models one by one, or these noise models. So first one is the Gaussian model. So in this model, the noise is to be defined in both case of spatial domain and the frequency domain. So there are some of the noise models which are frequently used for the traceability in the situations when we are not applicable for applying the probability density function. So for that we use a Gaussian noise. So in other words, we can say that the spatial noise descriptor based on the statistical behavior of the gray level value, which function is to be used, that is the probability density function. So that function in which the gray level values as the random values are characterized by PDF. In other words, we can say that the spatial noise descriptor value or the statistical behavior of the gray level values are known as the probability density function. And in each noise model, we represent the probability density function with some of the equation. So in case of the Gaussian noise, which is also known as the normal noise model, the equation is the probability density function, which is represented by Pz. Clear? Here Pz is the probability density function for the noise value, or the in which the Z is the gray level value, gray level or the intensity value, which is equals to 1 divided by 2 pi under root sigma exponent power minus Z minus u square divided by 2 sigma square. Here is the mu. Mu is mean of random variable z, the mean value of the random variable z, and sigma square is the variance of z. Here we have the graph for the Gaussian, for the Gaussian. Here we have the equation, the probability density function for the intensity value z equals to 1 by divided by under root 2 pi sigma exponent power minus z minus mu square divided by 2 sigma square. Sigma is the standard deviation, mu is the mean value of the z. Here we have the graph in between the intensity value z and the probability density function based on the z value. So we get the different values. Depending on the value, we get the graph with the mean value and the sigma value. We get the Gaussian image. So this representation is for the Gaussian noise model. And next we will discuss the next model, that is a Rayleigh noise model. Here, in case of Rayleigh noise model, the probability density function क्या था, नॉइस की इंटेंसिटी वैल्यू के स्टैटिस्टिकल बिहेवियर को हम PDF और द प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी फंक्शन बोलेंगे. सो द प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी फंक्शन ऑफ Rayleigh noise is given by Pz, that is the probability density function for the intensity value, that is, or the gray level value z, is equals to 2 divided by b divided by z minus a e power minus z minus a square divided by b. A and b are the constant values, sum of the constant values, or we can say that z is the gray level value. Depending on the gray level value, z is greater than equal to a Otherwise, value of probability density function is 0 when the z value is less than a. Here we have the graph. On the x-axis, we have the gray level values that are represented by z, and on the y-axis, we have the probability density function values. By applying this equation, when the value of z is greater than or equal to a, then we apply this equation. We get the value, for example, 0.607 under root 2 divided by b, and we have the this graph, that is the Rayleigh noise value, which represent the peak value. And with the lowest case, we have the value that is 0 otherwise, or from the origin we can say that, and with the z value that is less than a. Clear?